Detailed wages report. Selected between two dates, all or one site, employee type, agency, show leave can be selected or deselected. Workers can be grouped by site, all workers can be selected, a range of workers or a single worker. This report is produced as a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, XLS format. You will require Microsoft Excel or at least the Excel viewer on your system to view this report. This report shows the details of each shift worked by worker between the specific dates. Date, the date worked. Vehicle registration. Odo start, the odometer reading at the start of the shift. Odo end, the odometer reading at the end of the shift. Odo kilometre, the distance travelled in the day including all vehicles. Start time, the duty start times. End time, the duty end time. Lead-in. Lead-in is calculated from the start of the duty to the beginning of the first full 5 minutes or more of the driving period. Lead-out. Lead-out is calculated from the end of the last full 5 minutes or more of the drive to the end of the shift. Drive, the total drive within the duty time. Other work, the total work, excluding drive, within the duty time. P of A, the total periods of availability within the duty time. Rest, the total rest within the duty time only. Duty time, the total shift duty time. Percentage drive time, the percentage of drive time against the entire shift. Each driver will be created as a separate worksheet. If the range of drivers is very large, the TachoMaster system will split the spreadsheet accordingly. If the Group Sites option is selected, the spreadsheet will be created with all the totals reflecting the day totals for all sites, with a worksheet per site including the driver's range as specified in the selection screen.